Today on the Bitcoin 5, Saylor's huge move, US-Iran progress, AI classified system breach, Japan's AI startup and South Korea's most valuable company. Like and subscribe so you get this daily Bitcoin briefing in your feed each day. Let's go. Before the stories, the Bitcoin price check. Current price? About $64,700. Bitcoin has pulled back sharply from its position a month ago, down 16.4% from about $77,400 on May 25th, the most significant move across our tracking periods. The short-term picture shows modest stability, with a 1.5% gain over 4 days, while the 4-year view reveals the real story. Bitcoin has surged 212.6% since the $20,700 depths of June 2022, still firmly in long-term uptrend territory, despite recent volatility. Strategy adds more Bitcoin, while bolstering USD reserves. The company now holds 847,363 Bitcoin in its treasury, maintaining its position as the largest corporate holder of the asset. The move addresses concerns about the company's digital credit securities by replenishing cash reserves by a huge $300 million in 1 week to support credit quality. Strategy plans to continue building its USD reserve position alongside its Bitcoin accumulation strategy. For Bitcoin, the signal is that corporate balance sheet adoption is becoming more deliberate, more liquid, and more institutional. STRC is already trading back above $90, and all eyes are on how quickly it will trade back up to the $100 level. US and Iran reach encouraging progress in Switzerland talks. High-level US-Iran negotiations in Switzerland concluded with both nations announcing encouraging progress and a 60-day roadmap toward a final deal, according to a joint statement released by mediators, Qatar and Pakistan. The talks established working groups on nuclear issues, sanctions and dispute resolution, while creating a direct communication line to prevent incidents in the Strait of Hormuz. Iranian Foreign Minister Araghchi reported major progress, including waived oil export restrictions, partial release of frozen assets, and a reconstruction plan for Iran. NSA director says Anthropic's Mythos breached classified systems in hours. General Joshua Rudd, who runs both the NSA and Pentagon's Cyber Command, delivered the assessment directly to the Senate Intelligence Committee Vice Chair. The revelation came on June the 11th, the same day Amazon reportedly discovered a separate jailbreak in Anthropic's models. Within hours, the Trump administration ordered Anthropic to cut off foreign access to Mythos and Fable, prompting the company to shut down both models entirely. Japanese AI startup matches Anthropic's flagship models. Sakana AI, a Tokyo-based startup co-founded by an author of the original Transformer paper, launched Fugu, a multi-agent AI system that orchestrates specialized models behind a single API. Fugu Ultra reportedly matches Anthropic's Fable 5 and Mythos Preview on the hardest engineering, science and reasoning benchmarks, while beating Gemini 3.1 Pro, Opus 4.8 and GPT-5.5 on specific tasks. The architecture flips the industry's scaling race on its head. Samsung as South Korea's most valuable company, SK Hynix has officially surpassed Samsung Electronics to become South Korea's most valuable listed company for the first time. The AI chipmaker's market capitalization reached $1.35 trillion, narrowly edging out Samsung's 2081.3 trillion won valuation. The reversal caps a remarkable 1,400% surge for SK Hynix over the past 2 years, driven by explosive demand for high-bandwidth memory chips used in AI training and inference. Samsung had held South Korea's top spot continuously since 2000, making the changing of the guard a historic moment for Korean business. As the AI trade continues, the more value generated adds to global total wealth and continues to increase the total size of the pie for capital to rotate into Bitcoin. The accumulation window for Bitcoin remains open, but for how long? That's today's Bitcoin 5. Let me know your favourite story from today in the comments below, and subscribe now so tomorrow's update lands directly in your feed. I'll see you tomorrow.